118.
This call is now being recorded.
Okay. Eleven 30 to 12:30. Okay. Participes Y. Participes Y is present perfect. Okay. Okay. That is present perfect. Rule is rule is subject plus sein oder haben plus object plus verb drei. Okay. Sein, guys, you will use with movement. If there is movement, so you will use sein form. Okay. And haben, you will use no movement. If there is no movement, so you will use what?
Haben.
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 Okay. It will conjugate accordingly. And guys, what is verb dry? Okay. Verb dry. Verb dry, for example, first word is makhan. Okay. Verb dry is verb की third form, a third form of verb. So it will change into makhan, change into gemak. Okay. Next word is reden. Reden change into gereded. Okay, guys. Next word, for example, is finden. It will change into gefunden. Okay. So, guys, you need to learn verb dry. Okay. Next point is there any doubt, anyone?
नो सर।
No,
सर ये
sir.
यू फिंडन और फुंडन ये मतलब यू कैसे लग गए?
Buddy, this is the, but
Sir,
you, yeah, please tell.
sir, gemacht, geredet. Why, sir, gefunden? En we have to use here.
Yeah, I will tell you. Guys, this is the irregular verb and this is the regular verb.
ओके सर।
Okay. So for irregular verb, you need to learn it. There is no shortcut. Is it clear?
और इर्रेगुलर सर?
Yeah, for irregular, you need to learn it. For
ओके
example,
सर।
fahren. Okay, fahren, ye fahren.
ओके सर।
So guys, in English, go, went, gone. Okay, there is like any like it is also irregular verb. Okay, gehen, gegangen. What?
Gegangen.
So there is no shortcut, guys. You need to learn it. Okay. For example, denken.
सर गेहन की थर्ड फॉर्म तो कुछ और नहीं होती?
क्या होती है बताओ?
वो मतलब जैसे माखन में मार्क्ड लग गया, गे मार्क्ड, ऐसा नहीं कुछ होगा?
नहीं नहीं, buddy, you need to learn it.
ओके
Okay.
सर।
There is, yeah, you need to learn it. Denken, gedacht. Next is common.
Mit gekommen.
Ge
Kommt.
common. Okay, guys. Bleiben.
Sir, how to
अरे
find irregular verb, regular verbs?
Okay, how to find? Wait, I will tell you. Blieben, geblieben.
सर ये कॉम्प्ट नहीं है या फिर मतलब ऐसा ही
नहीं
रहेगा ये कॉमन?
यस यस गाइस, ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. ओके, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड, आई विल शो यू द इरेगुलर वर्ब. ओके, wait guys, I will check in the book. Okay, yes, I got it. Whose book? So guys, you will just open page number 160. Okay, these are unregal messiga verb. Unregal messiga verb मतलब meaning
irregular.
irregular
Regular
verb.
verbs.
Okay, so guys, I will show you. For example, we have done fahren, right?
Yes, sir.
Fahren is here. Fahren, er fährt, ist gefahren. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fliegen. Er flieg. Guys, you will concentrate this one. Geflogen. Verb third form is geflogen.
Logan.
Gehen.
Gegangen.
Gegangen. Okay. Common. Gekommen. Okay, guys. And bleiben. Geblieben. Bleiben is
Geblieben.
geblieben. Denken.
Gedacht.
Gedacht. Okay. Gedacht. Essen.
Gegessen. Gegessen.
Gegessen. Okay. Very good. So guys, there are lots of verb expression.
Gesprochen.
Gesprochen. Okay. Gesprochen. Next, for example. So guys, all these verb are irregular verb. Is it clear, guys? Schlafen.
Geschlafen.
Geschlafen. So these are irregular verb. Okay. Unregelmäßige Verben. Next point.
Sorry, V3 है ना मतलब verb के.
Yes, V3. Yes, correct.
Oh.
बोलिए आगे. Okay. Next point. Next point is, guys, I told you for sein, you if there is movement, okay, so you will use a sein form. Okay. If there is no movement, so you will use
Haben.
haben. So guys, machen meaning
Make.
To do.
To do.
is there any movement?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, there is
Yes.
no movement. Guys, there is no movement. You will use here haben. Why? I will tell you. Movement mean change the location. What?
Changing location.
Change the location. Okay. For example, I am teaching right now. So I am changing my location right now.
No.
No.
For example, verb is fahren. So fahren meaning to drive. So guys, for example, right now I'm here. Okay. But after some time I will, okay, after some time I will be in other place. Okay. Fahren meaning to drive. So this is there any change the location?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So here
Yes,
you
sir.
will use sein form. What? Which form?
Sign.
Join.
Sein form. Okay, guys. Gehen. So there is movement. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So you
Yes,
will
sir.
use Sein form.
Sign.
Okay.
Sein.
So guys, denken meaning to think. So you will use Sein
Think.
or haben.
Haben,
Haben.
sir.
Haben.
Haben.
सर इसमें क्या
Okay.
फर्क है मतलब हाबन और जाइन वाली चीज में?
बड़ी haben हमने conjugation सीखी थी. Sein is MR. Haben to have. Okay.
सर वो तो हाबन टू है और जाइन, चलो ठीक है सर, जाइन का देख लेंगे, बाकी तो ठीक
अभी
है।
मैं आपको कराता हूँ. ठीक है.
हाँ जी, हाँ
Common.
जी।
Guys, to come. So is there any change the location? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस यस
Okay. So you will use here Sein form or what?
जाइन
Sein.
जाइन
Sein form. Okay. Guys, with Bleiben, this is the rule. Okay. This is the exception case. You will use Sein form. Okay. You need to learn it. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear, guys?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
sir.
One more point I will tell you. For example, yes. Yeah. And guys, there is one more verb that is passieren. Passieren meaning
To pass.
to happen.
To
Append. No moment.
In third form, passiert. Okay, so you will always also Sein form.
Sir, why, sir?
Guys, this is exception case. Okay, this is exception case. Okay, guys.
सर एक्सेप्ट कौन सा केस है?
Exception मतलब ये आपको याद करना पड़ेगा जब भी आप Bleiben whenever
अच्छा,
you use
ठीक है
Bleiben
सर।
or passieren verb, so you will always Sein form. Okay, this is the
ठीक है।
exception case. Okay, for example, guys, yeah. So is it clear? Sein is
इज एम
Sein is movement and haben
Movement.
meaning
No.
No moment.
movement or change the location. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next part is yeah. Now I will tell you the conjugation. Sandhya, please mute. Okay. So guys, this is the haben form. For example, ich
Ich habe.
Ich habe.
ich habe, du,
Hast.
er,
Hat.
sie, sie hat, wir,
Haben.
ihr,
हाब
Haben.
sie,
हाबन
Haben.
sie.
हाबन
Haben.
This is the haben form, guys. Next is Sein form. Okay. Ich,
बिन
Bin.
du,
बिस
Bist.
bist, er,
इट्स
Ist.
sie,
जिन
Bist du.
wir,
जिंद
Sind.
ihr,
Sein.
Seid.
sie,
Sind.
Sind.
sie.
Sind.
Is there any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Next point. Guys, we will learn like how to make the sentence later. Okay. Now I will tell you one more concept, that is participe zwei. Okay. Verben mit Verben auf ihren. Okay, Verben auf ihren. So guys, there are so many verb. Okay, the ending is ihren.
कैसे सर?
Buddy, I will tell you. Okay.
ईयर
For example, telephonieren. Okay. Studieren. Okay. Trainieren. Is it clear, everyone?
सर ये वर्ब है?
Yes.
Yes, these are the verbs all. Okay. If the ending is ieren, okay, and you want to make it in verb 3, okay, so you will use only T. What? You will use only T.
ईयर
For
टी
example, yes. Okay. For example,
Telephonier.
yeah, telephonier.
टेलीफोनियट.
This is verb dry. This is verb first. Okay. Next one is
Studier.
सर ये वैसे वर्ब का मतलब ये टेलीफोन करना या पढ़ना या
yes. Right.
ट्रेनिंग
Right. Right.
करना. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है सर.
Okay. Next one is trainier.
ट्रेनिंग.
Okay, trainier. For example, guys, yes, diskutieren. Diskutieren meaning
To discuss.
diskutieren. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
यस
Okay.
सर.
Yes.
Next word is, for example, diskutiert. Okay, it will change into
Diskutier.
डिस्कटियन.
dis. Next word researchieren.
सर लास्ट में सर
Research.
एन हट जाएगा.
Yeah, researchiert. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir, इसका मीनिंग क्या है डिस्कूटियरन का?
Diskutieren meaning to discussion.
और सर नेक्स्ट जो है
Researchieren meaning to research.
ओके सर.
Is it clear, guys? Everyone?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are so many verbs which are participes. Why? Which are participes. Why? For example, unregelmäßige verb.
But is
Okay. Unregelmäßige Verben. Okay. Unregelmäßige Verben. For example, guys, unregular verb finden. It will change it to yes.
सर ये
Hart gefunden.
gefunden.
हार्ट gefunden.
Okay. Next verb is treffen.
सर ये ईयरन वाले कौन से थे? ये भी इरेगुलर थे.
बट ये भी सारी वर्ब्स है. ओके.
अच्छा सर मतलब इरेगुलर में भी नहीं आती वो.
वो वर्ब है जिसके एंड में
अच्छा अच्छा
ईएनएन
ठीक है
आता है.
सर.
उनका एक शॉर्टकट है.
ठीक है.
जब भी आपको पीछे ईएनएन दिखे आप टी लगा दो.
ओके सर.
सिंपल. तो वो याद हो जाएगा आपको जल्दी. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
नेक्स्ट पार्ट. सो ट्रेफन हार्ट गेट्रोफन. Is it clear, everyone?
यस सर.
Okay. For example,
Yes, sir.
gehen. Gegangen. Okay. But just give me a minute. I'm getting a call. Yes, guys. Next point. So, guys, these are the irregular verb. Okay, irregular verb. There is no shortcut. You will learn it. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is perfect mit sein. There are some verb you will always use what? Sein. Okay.
Sign.
So sein, guys, you will use if there is changing the location. Okay. Like for example, he's going here. Okay. So there is changing the location. For example, fahren. Fahren. So guys, there is movement or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will change into gefahren. Okay. Gehen. So there is change the movement location or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It will change into
Gegangen.
Gegangen.
gegangen. Okay. Any verb, guys? Can you please tell me?
Sehen.
Zehen. Zehen. This is like this is the verb, but it will not come with sein. Okay. There is no movement. If you are seeing something, so is there any movement, guys? Is there any movement or yes or no? For
किसमें सर?
example,
No, sir.
Zehen. Zehen meaning to see.
No, sir.
Ge Zehen.
No, sir.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make mute. Yes. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Very good. So, guys, now like we will see some example. Okay, everyone. So, for example, first of all, I will write. Okay, I will tell you one more point, guys. For example, right now I'm telling you like you will get this verb like gehen, gegangen. Okay. For example, you are at home. So how will you recognize? Like how will you get to know the third form of verb is gegangen? So guys, simply you will go to dig.cc. Okay, dig.cc. You will go here and for example I will search a verb is gehen, for example. Okay, so guys, are you able to see verb gegangen at the end?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so for example next word is common. So guys, can you please tell me?
Gekommen.
Ge common. This is the third, guys, third form. We will check only third form. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fliegen. Fliegen meaning, guys,
To fly.
to fly. So guys, can you please tell me the third form of this verb?
Geflogen.
Geflogen. So guys, you will use sein form or haben form?
Sein form.
Sein.
Very good. Guys, look, change the location. For example, you are flying to Germany. Right now you are India. So there is change the location. Okay. So
Yes,
sein
sir.
form.
Reisen.
You will use sein form. Okay. For example, one more verb is fahren. Okay. So yes, guys, can you please tell me?
Gefahren.
Gefahren.
Gefahren. Guys, are you able to see? Gefahren.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Yes. Next point. Okay. Okay. So guys, rule is for example, if you have done something, okay, like you have eaten the breakfast, okay, you have done recently. So you make your sentence with participe soit. Is it clear? Participe soit.
Yes, sir.
Now I will
Yes, sir.
write down one more time participe soit rule. Rule is subject subject. Yeah, I will write subject plus haben or sein. Haben or
Sign.
Sign.
sein plus object plus
Plus the
Object
third
plus
form.
three.
verb की third form. This is the rule. Okay, you will use haben with movement or no movement,
No movement.
No
Yes,
movement.
sir.
and sein you will use with.
Movement.
Movement.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for example, guys, I will write down one example.
I had
Habe das Buch
Gillis.
gelesen. Okay, so this is subject. Okay, okay, guys, to read the book, it is movement or no movement?
No, sir.
No movement.
No movement.
No movement. So you will use haben or sein.
Haben.
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 So
Haben.
which form I have used?
First.
No
Never.
No
Sir,
movement.
okay.
Form मतलब अच्छा ठीक है
Form. Okay, verb form. Okay, and das book. This is.
Object.
So guys, is it simple or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
One more sentence. Ich
पहले तो सर सिंपल ही लगता है.
Ich habe
Ich habe einen
Kaffee getrunken. So guys, this is
Subject.
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 Getrunken, verb 3. What is
Verb की
getrunken?
third form. To drink.
To drink.
To drink. Okay, like drunk. Okay. So guys, to drink anything, there is movement or no movement?
No movement.
No
So
movement.
we should use haben or sein form.
Haben.
haben.
Okay. What is the conjugation with ish?
Haba.
Ich habe.
Haba.
Ich habe.
Okay, no movement. And this is guys object.
Object.
This is the rule. Subject plus haben sein plus object plus verb third. This is the rule, guys. Okay. One more example. For example, hast du deine Hausaufgabe gemacht? Okay, guys. So, like I have made this sentence in Jana and Fraga. This is verb, right? Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Wait.
Haben.
Wait. So, guys, to Makhan, there is movement or no?
No.
Sir.
Okay,
No
so
movement.
verb 3. So you will use haben or sein?
Haben.
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 No movement. Okay, do. With do, you will conjugate st, right?
Best.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Subject.
this is object.
Subject.
Subject is here. Is there any doubt, anyone? Guys, is there any doubt?
No.
Aditya, Vivek, Mehak, Lalita, Sandhya.
सर क्या है हाउस ऑफ गाबा मतलब
Can
Homework.
anyone tell how?
Homework, sir.
Aditya, what are you doing, buddy?
सर दिमाग में था वो, एकदम से क्या बोलते हैं
Okay.
हाउस ऑफ गाबा.
Okay. So, guys, next example. Okay. Wir sind ins Kino gegangen. What is the meaning here?
We are went to movie.
सर आर तो आएगा नहीं तो
We have gone to movie, okay, or cinema, okay, guys.
Yes.
So, guys, please tell gegangen there is movement or no?
Moment, sir.
यस
So
यस
movement you will use sein form or haben form?
Sein form.
Sein
Sein
form.
form.
Very good, guys. What is the conjugation with wir? Sein form.
वियर
Sind.
सिंथ
We are Zind.
Sind, sir.
Movement.
sir.
Movement.
Sir.
Okay. Yes. Please tell.
Sir, we went to cinema or
When?
Sir,
Yes. Vivek asked.
sir, we went to cinema है मतलब उसका.
No. We have gone to cinema.
Okay, we have got to.
Guys, whatever you have done in recent past. Okay.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
ओके जो काम आप कर चुके हो. ओके जो काम आप कर चुके हो. एंड दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट.
नहीं सर मतलब जो अभी अभी हुआ ये कहना चाह रहे हैं
यस
आप.
करेक्ट.
अच्छा तो ये तो अच्छा, मुझे लगा वी वेंट टू.
नहीं वो नहीं गलत नहीं. ओके गाइस इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके वन मोर एग्जांपल. One more example is, guys, example is hast du gestern Fan
Sir.
gesehen? Okay, meaning, guys.
Yesterday you have seen television.
Have you watched television yesterday? Have you watched television yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys, fan sehen, there is movement or no? Like I'm watching the TV, is there any movement?
No.
सर
No,
ये
No,
ये
sir.
स्टेरिंग मतलब ये क्या लिखा है.
Gestern meaning
Gestern.
yesterday.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है सर.
Okay, modal verb subject plus time plus verb की third form. Guys, is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and one more last example. Okay,
सर मोडाल हो गया नो मोमेंट वर्ब.
Moment.
but it was movement. Oh, sorry, no movement. NM. Okay,
Okay, sir.
no movement. One more example. Ich habe gestern meine Freunde getroffen.
Retro.
Okay, guys, what is the meaning here?
Yesterday I meet my.
Yesterday,
I have met with my friend. Okay, so guys, there to meet friend, is there change location?
yes.
Yes, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No movement. Okay, subject, object, verb third. So guys, where you will use verb third? At the
And
And
is it clear, everyone?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is participes y. Okay, and guys, in A1 in A2 level, at least 30% you will use this today's grammar. This is very important.
okay sir.
Okay, so guys, now do you want more example or is it fine?
More examples, sir. We want.
You want more example? Okay, very, yeah, I will tell you. Just give me a second. You want more example, right? Okay, yeah. Mein Freund hat gestern guys wait Geburtstag gefeiert. Meaning guys,
My friend birthday.
My friend
My
birthday
my
today.
friend celebrated birthday yesterday.
anyone else?
My friend.
Yesterday, my friend has a birthday celebration.
Okay. Guys,
Celebrated.
I will show you more example. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, guys, I will share my screen. I will share my screen. Okay. So, guys, next example is everyone mute. Okay. So first example, mein Freund hat gestern Geburtstag gefeiert. Celebrated birthday. So, guys, is there any movement?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So I have used here hat.
Heart.
At
Okay. Next example, Vivek, you please read.
Wir sind gestern spazieren gegangen.
Meaning,
Yesterday,
yeah,
we went. Yesterday,
we have gone to walk.
we are going to
Walk. Okay. So, guys,
walk.
gegangen, there is movement or no?
Yes.
So we
Yes,
have used
sir.
here
sind.
In the,
Then,
Zin form. Very good, Mehak. Next one.
meine Mutter hat gestern gekocht.
Meaning,
Yesterday, my mother has have cooked.
cooked. Very good. So we got, guys, cooking. Is there any movement? Location change?
No.
No. So
No,
you
sir.
use here.
Heart. Heart.
Heart.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next example, Aditya.
Ich habe gestern mit meiner Bruder telefoniert.
Yeah.
Sir, yesterday I talked with my brother.
Okay. So guys, telephone. Is there any movement?
Sir,
No,
no,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
So I have used here
Haben.
haben.
Papa.
Okay. Next example is Sandhya.
Yes, sir. Hast du gestern gesehen?
Meaning,
You watched yesterday.
have you watched yesterday television?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is Lalita.
Wir haben gestern im Park gepicnic. We have yesterday in park picnic.
Very good. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is Vivek. Vivek. Okay. Mehak. Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mehak.
Yes, sir. Wir haben gestern.
No. This was
Mein
second
Hund.
thing. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mein Hund hat im Garten geschlafen.
Meaning?
My dog have in a garden to sleep in garden.
Yeah. So, guys, slafen. Slafen meaning to sleep. Is there any movement?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. Next is Aditya.
Sie hat Gestern im Supermarket eingekauft.
Meaning,
Yesterday she went to supermarket for shopping.
yes, she has purchased in supermarket. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So eingekauft, this is verb 3, and haben we have used because there is no movement. Okay. Next is Sandhya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Mein Bruder hat gestern Fußball am Fernsehen geschaut.
Yeah.
My
Meaning,
brother has yesterday football at television.
was the television. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Was the television. Okay. Geschaut meaning to watched. Okay. To showed.
What?
Okay. Vivek, last one.
Ich habe gestern meinen Freund getroffen. I met my friend yesterday. I have met my friend yesterday.
Guys, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone. Yeah. Okay. Next is, so guys, now I will give you the homework. Okay. So today I have told you chapter number 10 grammar full completely. Okay. In
Okay.
one go. Okay. With full explanation. Yeah. So guys, what you will do as a homework, everyone listen it carefully. Okay, everyone. So what you will do, guys, here, guys, again you will read this article. Okay, like Lalita and Sandhya and Vivek you have done yesterday, but Mehak,
Yes, sir.
Aditya, everyone, you will read this article and you will complete these sentences in participes why. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, this one, this one, this one, this one. Next point. Next point, guys. Guys, can you please change these sentences in participes why, everyone?
Yes.
कैसे सर?
For example, gestern habe ich für ein Seminar recherchiert. Ich habe
Ich habe
gestern für
Für
ein
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 Seminar
research.
research.
So guys, ERN. So you will change into
Year.
Ye-
Research.
research.
is it clear, everyone? Mehak,
Yes,
Lalita,
sir.
Aditya, Sandhya, Vivek. Okay.
Yes.
So everyone, you please write down these sentences in participes why. Okay, like that. And guys, this audio we will do tomorrow, right? Everyone.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next
Okay,
point.
sir.
Next point. Okay, guys, can you please wait? Guys, like we will do audio tomorrow, but guys, can you please write down infinitive form? For example, gesehen. What is the first form here?
Zehen.
Sehen. Very good. Next is getroffen.
Treffen.
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 Treffen, sir.
Okay. So guys, you will write down here. Okay, like finden. So in verb 3, hat
Gefunden.
gefunden. Okay, guys,
Gefunden.
here they are writing also hand to hand heart. Why? Because with the finden you will use haben form. Okay,
Yes, sir.
everyone, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Next point. Next point. Guys, tomorrow I will check the homework. Okay, so please do it. This class is super important. Okay, everyone.
Okay, sir.
So guys, what do you need to do here? You will read this article, okay, very carefully. After reading the article, you will cross it. If this statement is correct, so you will cross. If this statement is not correct, so you will not cross it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Lalita, Mehak,
Yes, sir.
Aditya, Satya, and Vivek, guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next point. Okay, next and last, guys. For example, when you read this article, okay, so you are able to make the sentence. For example, fahren, okay, Claudia ist 2 Stunden zur Arbeit gefahren. Here sein form and here is verb की third form. So guys, can you please like gehen? So Freddy
Ist
ist zur Agentur für Arbeit.
Gegangen.
Gegangen.
Guys, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For example, common. Guys, can you please do it?
Felix ist
Felix ist nach
Felix
Berlin
ist nach
gekommen.
Berlin gekommen.
Very, very good. Is it clear, everyone? Now,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay. One more last thing, guys. Okay. So, guys, are you able to see wo sur Schule gehen? Okay. So, can you please make these sentences in participes? Why? How? Like wo sur Schule gehen. So, wo bist du zur Schule gegangen?
Bist du
Was hast du in der Schule studiert or gelernt? Can you please make the example like that sentences? Or guys, we will do tomorrow. Just don't worry. If you are able to do,
Okay,
it's
sir.
fine. If not able to do, so we will do in the class. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
guys, that is all for today. Please, I request you everyone. First of all, you need to revise the notes. Okay. You can write down in your notebook every notes. First of all, revise. Then do all these exercise. Is it clear, everyone?
नोट सर जो अभी तक करवाए हैं वो वाले.
हाँ, एक तो पहले तो जो आज मैंने आपको एक्सरसाइज कराई है वो आपको सबसे पहले वो करनी है.
ठीक है
वो
सर.
करने के बाद जो मैंने आपको आज होमवर्क दिया वो आपको वो करना है.
ओके सर.
Is there any doubt, anyone? Guys, wait, I will send you the notes. Okay.
ओके सर.
Yes, sir.
Guys, notes are fine today.
यस सर.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like you can make your own notes and later on also, guys, you can revise the full grammar very easily with one go. Okay. Second point, guys, I will try to upload this video on YouTube only grammar part. Okay. So for example, if you are not able to like if you are not sure or you have some doubt, so guys, you can watch the video again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Guys, please check the WhatsApp. I have shared with you all the notes from chapter number 1 till chapter number 10. Vivek, is it fine?
Yes, sir. Got it.
सर ये जो आप अपलोड करेंगे वो उसी में करेंगे ना 10 चैप्टर में नए वाले में.
हाँ, आज की क्लास like I will upload today's class in like वो 10 चैप्टर का फोल्डर बनेगा उसमें सेंड होगी.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. ओके विवेक, मैंने सारे नोट्स शेयर कर दिए हैं जो भी आप मेरे से आज कह रहे थे. राइट. इसमें टाइम
Right,
के
I
सारे
got it.
ठीक है. जैसे प्रोनोमन से लेकर सारे इसमें आपके डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर गाइस?
Yes.
Yes.
ओके.
There's not got any good draw.
व्हाट संध्या? Okay, so guys, das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank. Tschüss, auf Wiederhören.